Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. Sorry I'm losing my voice here, but I wanted to do this video for you guys. I saw it on Fixer Upper and I thought it was the perfect idea of where to put your indoor herb garden. So I'm going to show you where I'm going to put those in a minute, but I have these little cans that I got from Target. They were only $1, as you can see. So I have some silver and blue ones. I have command strips, which we will be using last. I picked up some Miracle Grow Nature's Care Organic and Natural Potting Mix. The reason I chose this was because of the quality of it, and I wanted it to be organic. But it says the water absorbs like a sponge and sends nutrients right to the roots so plants grow up big and strong. So that's one of the reasons why I got this. No, this is not being sponsored by Miracle Grow. I just wanted to tell you about it. So if you're looking to do an organic natural garden, you can go ahead and purchase this. I paid $4.99 for it. This will work well for what I'm doing right now. So yeah, not being sponsored at all. I have the plastic down just in case I make a mess here. So what I have for the silver cans is cilantro, parsley, we have some oregano, which I use a lot. Then I have some sweet peppers, tomatoes, and hot peppers. And I also have some labels here for the can. What my mom used to do would stick popsicle sticks in and then write on the stick with a Sharpie what it was, but I don't have any sticks right now and I'm not going back to the store. So I have these labels. I'm going to just put them on the can so I know and the family knows what is growing where. So let's get started. First, going to start by putting the soil in each one of these tin cans here. And I'm only probably going to fill about 3/4 from the top. I don't know, we'll see once I get into it, but I need to get something to put the dirt in there and then I'll come right back. Okay, so I have this orange measuring cup I don't use and it's broken, so I'm gonna just use this to scoop the dirt into. And I know you may be wondering why I'm doing this inside, because it's an inside herb garden and I'm putting them somewhere here special in the kitchen, so that's why we're in the kitchen. So I'm just going to fill these up to where I think they should be. Oh, mine the only one that likes the fresh smell of dirt. Okay, that's pretty good. So 2 scoops of these. I don't know how many scoops this is. So maybe like a cup. I think this is a half a cup. I'm not sure, but yeah. So I'm just going to put 2 scoops of this in each one. So now I'm going to start with the peppers, and it says to put about it doesn't really tell you how many seeds to put in, so I think I'm going to put like 3 in each. Just kind of spread them out also. I'll put them in there and make sure it's nice and set in there. All 3 of those. Now for the tomatoes. Now it's time to label them. So the first one I put in was the hot peppers. Then we did the tomatoes. And then the sweet peppers. now that we have everything in place, I am going to water these and then I'm going to show you where I'm placing them. Okay everyone, so this is what I've done. As you can see, we have that there, which is going to give tons of light. And then we have these here. They're a little crooked, a little uneven, but still they're in a perfect place to get light. If I need to move them, adjust them, it's so much easier because I could just take the strips down, move the cans around to adjust for lighting. And if I need to put more, I can just again take the command strip off and move it around. So I hope you like this video, guys. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already subscribed. Make sure you ding that bell so you get notified every time I post, and I will see all of you next time. Bye.